amigas, hello and happy day. Today is Monday actually, mis amigas, and aquí estoy en la casa. So by the title of the video, you guys are already gonna know qué es lo que voy a estar haciendo. So I have a lot of things that I'm gonna be doing today. So for example, voy a limpiar la cocina. As you guys can see, el fin de semana celebramos el cumpleaños de mi hija, and it was just so awesome. We just had so much fun, and yeah, so a lot of family came here and we just hanged out here and stuff like that. So it's one of those days that, like, if ustedes tienen hijos, like, it's always fun to celebrate like their birthdays and stuff like that, because they're only like that age once. So yeah, mis amigas, welcome back to another video, and I hope you guys are enjoying this video. And if you guys are new here, thank you guys so much for being here. It means a lot to me, and I have seen a lot of new comments here and there, and I really do appreciate that. Y otra cosa, mis amigas, you guys are so funny. So I know I always say like hola mis amigas, and I got this comment, like, if you're watching, you know who you are. So yo les digo hola mis amigas, y luego hay un comentario que me dijeron hola amigas y amigos. So I have to get in the habit of saying that, just because, you know, everybody is watching me. But I don't know, when I started this video YouTube channel, I started with mis amigas. So yeah, hola mis amigas y mis amigos, welcome back to this video. Me regañaron, can you believe that? amigas, hello, and thank you guys so much for coming back to another amazing video. And you guys siempre me están preguntando que cuándo voy a postar otro video, cuándo voy a subir otro video. And thank you guys so much for always looking out for me and seeing a ver cuando mis videos van a estar available for you guys. So yeah, so if you guys can see, estoy limpiando the day after my daughter's birthday. We had so much fun, and actually it was a really great day this day because it was nice and sunny. And yeah, my family came over and we had a birthday cake. I believe we had some birria with arroz y con frijolitos y con mucho cilantro y limoncito. Yum. It was the best thing ever. It was like one of my favorite days to celebrate my daughter. And yeah, so as you guys can see, es un desastre, but afterwards I was thinking about it and it was just so rewarding for her just because I can see it in her face that she was smiling and having such a blast with her cousins and opening her amazing gifts and just, you know, making some amazing memories. Because you know what, I feel like everyone should celebrate their birthday because we're only that age. We only have a birthday once, mis amigas, and vamos a celebrarlo because we only live once. And why not celebrate this day with your loved ones and stuff like that? So I am happily and blessed that we were able to do this for my daughter. And yeah, so we took lots of pictures and we were just having so much fun. So thank you guys so much for coming back and keep on watching for this satisfying video. Okay, so las que saben, mis amigas, son las que están estado aquí por un buen rato following my channel. And you guys know that I used to not use my dishwasher at all, not one bit, because I was like, you know what, it's like wasting water and like time and stuff like that. I felt like that, but you know what, like this day was just perfect for me to load the dishwasher just because, like, you know, muchas cosas tiene que lavar y me da una huevonada estar lavando los dishes, but it was a lot. So with that being said, going back to not using my dishwasher. So I used to not use my dishwasher, mis amigas, for quite a while, mis amigas. Even in my other house, like I have no idea qué lo que estaba haciendo. Or sorry, I did not even have a dishwasher in my other house. What am I thinking? But yeah. So yeah, we moved into this house and I was like, you know what, might as well just start using it because why not? So yeah, so I'm just putting the stuff that can go in the dishwasher, and you guys will see me in a little bit that I'm going to be hand washing other stuff because, you know, we have to be careful on what we put in the dishwasher. So for example, I wash like small things and like my wooden spoons and cutting board and stuff like that, stuff that don't even go in the dishwasher by hand. So ahorita me van a estar viendo que estoy lave y lave. But yeah, so let me know if you guys use a dishwasher or you guys don't. And please let me know how you guys like it because like I said, yo pensé que era I don't know, it was just too much of wasting water and time consuming of waiting and stuff like that. But now I have a rhythm going on and I actually I enjoy it. It's my new best friend. So yeah, aquí estoy lavando los dishes, mis amigas. Hay que echarle ganas a los dishes. I kind of want to stop you guys for a little bit and talk to you guys. And I want to say, excuse if you hear my dishwasher. She's just working over there. So bear with her. So, mis amigas, so cuando fuimos, bueno, anoche andábamos allá por Sacramento. And then we went to went to IKEA, and then we went to go buy my favorite cups. So we did end up buying 2 packs of my favorite cups. And then because last time that we always go, nunca nos encontramos. So this time was the best time ever because they were on stock. And they're just like normal, nothing fancy, but I really did like them. So they look like this, mis amigas, just like that. Nice and simple. There's no design, which I don't like. I just prefer nice and simple. Just get to the point of the design. So this is what it looks like. So like I said, it comes with a pack of, so there's 6 of them. So each pack comes with there's 12 in total, and then each pack comes with a pack of 6. And yeah, so this is the name of them if you guys are interested in purchasing them. So they look like that, like this, mis amigas. So I don't know, it designed, I cannot even pronounce this stuff, you guys. So they're 15 ounce, and they're dishwasher safe, which is a big plus. So this is the design of, I have no idea. So that, do what you gotta do, screenshot that thing. I have no idea, but I cannot pronounce it. I'm not even gonna try. So yeah, this is one of the things that I end up getting from IKEA. You guys already know that my daughter's theme was Hello Kitty, and she was just super excited to have this theme for her. And she every birthday she picks out the theme, and I was like, heck yeah, let's do it because it's so cute. Who doesn't like Hello Kitty? But yeah, it was so awesome, and she chose to do like a garland and stuff like that all around with the balloons, if you guys can see on the left side. And this section right here on the right, I had I had nachos and like waters and stuff like that. That way that my guests are able to, you know, eat some nachos y tomarse agua. So throughout this video, I was getting so tired, mis amigas. Like I thought like I was never gonna finish. Cada ratito volteaba y I was like, ay, no, me falta tal cosa, mover las sillas, quitar el mantel, ay, no, y luego que poner la mesa en su lugar. It was just so crazy. It was just too much. But luckily, lo logré hacer and everything was back to normal. So my daughter actually ended up keeping the happy birthday and the Hello Kitty balloons just for memories, just because like it's nice to think about our memories back and stuff like that. So I am planning to get her a like memory box so she is able to put these materials in there. So that's another goal of mine, so I can find for her and we can just keep it and just go back and remember this amazing birthday. This was one of my favorite birthday party that we've had so far, and not just because of the decoration, just because of the family was over and we just had so much fun. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now, taking out down the balloons and putting them to the side so I can continue on with my other duties. you, mis amigas. You guys made it to the end of the video. I just cannot believe it. You guys stuck here for so long and hang down on how I was completing my house because it was un desastre. So thank you guys so much for being here and giving me all the love and support. And I don't know how long this video is going to end, or how long it's going to be, sorry. And yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please let me know what other videos you guys would like to watch for the new future. I know you guys are obsessed with my cleaning videos, and I am obsessed making them for you just because, like, every day ustedes me comentan tal cosa, and I absolutely love it. I love to read your comments, mis amigas, so thank you guys so much, and I try my best to reply to everyone. And thank you guys so much for being here, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your families, with your family and your friends, and don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already. So I'll see you guys next time, okay? Bye, mis amigas.